Hi friend, in this video I will try to find the sum of the multiplication tables of any numbers up to n terms. So what is the mathematical formulations for finding the sum of the multiplication tables of any numbers up to n terms? Suppose that if you want to find the sum of the multiplication table of 5, this means 5 plus 10 plus dot plus up to 50. Clear? So here mm, our target is to find the sum of the multiplication table of 5 up to 50. This means here our a small n represent the number of terms to find the sum of the multiplication table. Here the number of terms in this multiplication table is 10, and capital N represent the numbers that has to find the multiplication tables. Capital N equals to here 5. Then find this 5 multiplication table sum. So how to find this? By using say mathematical formulations. SMT capital N equals to a small n into a small n plus 1 divided by 2 into capital N. Here the small n equals to 10. This means 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2 into capital N value is equal to 5. Multiply this, and this is equals to 10 into 11 divided by 2 into 5. 2 5 ja 10, 11 5 ja 15, 55, and 55 5 ja 275. After adding this value, finding the summations of table 5 multiplication table, and this will get a value 275. Huh? So this is the formulations for finding the sum of any multiplication tables. Suppose that if you want to find the multiplication tables of uh, 18s, so suppose there are only two terms for finding the summations of multiplication table 18s. First terms is 1 equals to 18 into 1, this equals to 18, s2 equals to 18 into 2, this equals to 36. So we want to find the sum of the multiplication table of 18 in only two terms of 2. So final sum equals to 18 plus 36, and this equals to 54. Clear? Put this into a mathematical formulation. So how to find the summation of multiplication table of 18? This equals to a small n, here equals to number of terms. The number of terms is equals to only 2. The n, a small n equals to 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and the table which you want to find the sum of the multiplication table, this is the 18. Then solve this, 2 cancel out, and then 2 plus 3 equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3 into 18, and this will get a value 54. So the result of these formulations will get a 54, as well as in simple we have to find the sum of the 18 plus 36, this equals to 54. Clear? So this is the formulation for findings the summations of any multiplication table of any numbers up to n terms. Suppose you want to find the multiplication tables of 5 up to a 20 terms, 25 terms, or 100 terms. By using these formulations we get a value easily or very short times. Clear? So this is our formulations to find the sum of the any multiplication table of any numbers up to n terms. So this is the problem statement. Find the sum of the multiplication table of any numbers up to n terms, and this is our for mathematical formulation to findings the sum of the multiplication table of any numbers up to n terms. SMT, sum of multiplication table of capital N, this equals to a small n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into capital N, where a small n represents the number of terms and capital N represent the multiplication table. Here also we show a example considers the capital N equals to 4. We want to find the sum of the fourth table of 4, then find the sum of multiplication table of 4 up to 5 terms. Here n equals to 5, then sum of the multiplication table of 4 equals to 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20, this will be 60 after general sum, and after formulations we get a value SMT of 4 equals to a small n equals to 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2, and capital N equals to 4, and solving this we get a value 60. Thank you.